Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we'll learn how to directly download OSM data from QGIS. So basically what we have done is in previous video, we have downloaded OSM data from Overpass Turbo. So in this video, we don't need that Overpass Turbo. We'll download basically this OSM data directly from a plugin named Quick OSM, which will install in QGIS, and we'll use that plugin to download the OSM data. So this Quick OSM basically as a overpass API. This overpass API acts as a database over the web, which means when a client, when a user or client gives a query to the API returns the user with a data set according to their query. So we'll use that plugin to uh, extract the data from the OSM. So you go to plugin option in menu bar. Here we can see plugin, and so here go to manage and install plugin. Inside manage and install plugin, go to all and search for quick OSM. Quick OSM, QICK. Quick OSM. So I have basically installed this. So what you have to do is when you click this quick OSM, you can see here install plugin option. So you install, and then after installing, you can see here our icon of quick OSM. So to download the quick OSM, we must so in previous video also I have told about tag in OpenStreetMap. So when you want to indicate a feature in the OSM, you have to use a tag. This tag will have a key and value. So we must have the concept of key and value in OSM. So for this, we'll download the data of school of Pokhara. So for the key, we'll use amenity, and for value, we'll use school. And then after that, we'll download all the data in Pokhara. So after this, you will run the query. So okay, after this you can see we have run the query in OpenStreetMap. Okay, after this, what we have to do is okay, we have three data. Inside this we have line, polygon, and Pokhara of point. So we'll remove this line data. We don't need this line data. And what we have to do is we have to convert this polygon data into point data. So first we have to make this data as permanent. Only we can use this here we have a processing geometry tool as centroids. So this we can use after only we make this as permanent. So make this as permanent. Here we can uh, save this in, I have a temporary file. Here I'll save as ABC. Okay, save, and then we'll make this as polygon. So after this, click on OK. So this is all successfully saved, and then we'll use this geometry tool centroids, and we'll use this polygon data, and then we'll export this also in this uh, temporary file. Here I'll write this as point school Pokhara. Okay, save, and then we'll run this. So you can see all the polygon data are converted into point. So we'll uncheck this, and you can see all the polygon data of Pokhara, school of Pokhara. So similarly, what we can do is we can download the highway of Pokhara. For this, we'll go in highway, and if you need some particular highway that is residential, maybe primary, tertiary, then you can write here primary, tertiary, residential. If you don't want, if you want all the highways inside the Pokhara, you leave this value empty, and then type Pokhara. inside Pokhara. So and then run the query. So it will take time because it's a used data. Highway of Pokhara is a used data. uh, it's taking a time. Okay, now we have got the highway of Pokhara. So okay, this is how we can download the OSM data from directly from QGIS. So we do not need any other website to download the data. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and share this video. And stay safe, stay healthy in this COVID time. Stay inside your home. Thank you very much.